focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hey y'all, see my package came for my new work from home job. I opened everything up, got it all set up, and I cannot wait. My computer and everything came. I cannot wait to start work, y'all. It's been great having off, but I'm so happy to get back on payroll, baby. Okay. Today is Saturday, what? October the 7th. Just get a breath, Logan. Like, as soon as I open my eyes, I gotta take care of y'all. That's a hard job.
I know, because Auntie passed away. I know.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Not to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like this, baby, when I see you. When I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey, baby. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy. Around you, I see you.
Okay, y'all, I just got home. Happy Monday. I got everybody off and out the door, and I'm about to start my new job. I'm gonna go brush my hair real quick. Okay, so yeah, and I got my stuff all set up. The perks of working from home, you can look how you want to look. I mean, you could put on a professional top, but they ain't gonna see me today.
Okay, I'm logging in. I'm trying to log in. Let me see if it is set my password. And that you are saying VFM, am I correct?
Just the VN number, that's...
Today is Wednesday, and I feel so tired. It's 10 o'clock now, so I'm taking a little 15-minute break. But it's like I didn't get no rest last night.
Baby, I did it.
hours later.
Y'all, it is literally like spring all over again in the fall. We've been getting so many days of rain, and it's supposed to rain all day until 6 p.m. today, and it's only 7:30 a.m. y'all. But I feel good. I got my little mom bun to the back, so I probably look bald head, but I'm currently on the way to the gas station really quick. Give me a few little snacks and a bottle of water. I need a bottle of water. You know, my kids playing water all the time, so I need a bottle of water and some snacks because, as y'all know, I did start my new job Monday. Today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday, but I did start my new job Monday. It's been a breeze. I'm thankful, but I'm like, yeah, I gotta give me some snacks, you know, sitting at that computer all day. So that's where I'm on my way to, y'all. I hope everybody has had an amazing week. And yeah, y'all, it's Friday. Let's make it great, even though it's gloomy here where I'm at. I'm still finding a positive out of everything, and I'm just grateful. I'm grateful that I woke up today, and I look forward to all the other positives that will happen today and this weekend. So I'll holla at y'all.
I want to start off by saying I specifically have my profile set up to not receive phone calls during training, so please don't.
Still raining, been raining all day, literally all day. Son, it's 6:32 in the morning, and you asking to play on the computer? Mom life.
Morning, Mommy.
Good morning. But you should have known it. I'll be home and always and forever. Every time I'm trying to kick it. New Monica. Silly of me. Devoted so much time. I nearly lost my mind. Wonder what she had on me to make you break my heart, to make you not think to call home. Baby, which one are we living in? Now we got together. Promise that we'll never. Hey.
Cause if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life.
Gotta get my hair done.
This is just
This
about
hair
how
just
we
don't
as
act right
BF
at
and
all.
whatever brand you guys are working for
Happy Monday.
can better help our customers.
Week 2. Let's get it. Y'all got me some Bath and Body Works candles, and this is my favorites. I love the champagne souls, like, oh my god. And then I got the strawberry pound cake. I love this one too, y'all. Strawberry pound cake, it just smells so good and fresh. I just got these because it was a good deal, and it's like, why not? You know, these candles be so expensive, so when you can get a deal that's free, that's our favorite word, Free. But yeah, so I got 2 candles, and it just makes me so happy. I don't know, I just love candles. But tomorrow I'm actually gonna go to some stores and stuff. I want to get into fall, so I'm gonna go get some fall candles, like, you know, those smells, cinnamon, pumpkin, apple, whatever. I don't know, I don't care to drink and eat those kind of things, but I love the smell of them. So yes, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all because I love getting new candles and stuff. I'm off work, y'all. I'm about to take my daughter to dance practice, and I gotta stop at the store and pick up a special item. Yeah. And Monday, I swear it really felt like a Monday today. It was just so slow. The day went by so slow, sitting on the computer all day, just doing whatever. But good thing about working from home, I was cleaning up, getting dinner ready, doing all kind of stuff, just moving with my headset. So it works. I really can't complain. I'm so grateful. Okay, y'all, so we on the way out. Okay, y'all, we getting up out of here. I know y'all probably like, why she always got this flannel on? I don't care. This is my favorite flannel. It's so thick, y'all. It's really like a jacket. It's really not even a flannel. It's like a thick jacket. A thick sweater, I should say. Okay. Special pickup. Got my little mom bun. I think it's cute or whatever. Hey. Probably ain't getting back together. We ain't good, but we still good. I realize that I can be your lover. My chick bad, looking like a bag of money. My chick. Okay, y'all, I made it back home. As y'all can see, I just came from Kids Foot Locker. I picked up an order that I placed online. And, yeah, it's a little surprise that I got my baby. Her birthday is on Friday, so they don't even know. They all roll with me. I said, wait in the car. I'm going to go in and out. And, yeah, I got the order. And just been getting her little stuff every day. Just been ordering stuff. I just like to pamper her and make sure that she has everything that she wants and needs. I mean, that's my baby, my firstborn, and my only girl, y'all. So I gotta keep her spoiled, even though sometimes they be backfiring with the little attitudes. But mom life. Saying she about to be 10 on Friday. And yeah, so I just been having fun buying her little stuff that I see. And I'm like, oh, this cute stuff. You know, whatever. And I ended up getting her some Ugg boots, some new ones. She loves Ugg. She always got Ugg. And I just thought these was cute. And they was on sale. So I just got these for $60, y'all. She got some big feet, too. She wears size 6. I could fit these. We wear the same size. But yes, I just thought this color was so cute. I got a late night snack. It looks so good. They made mine all smashed like this. I look fucked up. Hey y'all, I'm on my way to Ross. I'm gonna see what they got. Find some things. I ain't brushed my ponytail or nothing, but everybody should know this by now about me. I never fix my hair when I'm on the go. They better drive safe out here now.
The Jamaican place open.
What?
By Captain, Fireside, 74.
Oh, I never had that. Jamar got us some Jerk 76 or something. That was cool, yeah. I like it.
I like their egg rolls. They do the cabbage. They got
no, they cabbage. I was just gonna say that, like, I like they cabbage better than the Upper Yard. You know, everybody like Upper Yard. I feel like because of their name, yeah. The wait times are long as hell. The cabbage is not good to me. I need to try it out.
Yeah, they said, and people say it's good because I had went in there and got some egg rolls. But I like how they do their egg rolls. Like, they do all meat ones.
Yeah.
They do meat and just the beans.
Yeah. Then you get to pick if you want veggies and stuff.
Yeah, then they do the ones with the veggies, and they do the ones with the...
Then I'm fat. I like how they give you all the big portions.
Yeah.
I be eating 2 times out that shit.
Yeah. Put it up, warm that shit up.
And I just want to say, don't go shopping with kids. I do not like taking the kids to the store. They throw you off track. They ask for everything. They spend all your money. Not recommended. Okay, y'all. So we made it back home. And as in me and the kids, they are irritating. I do not recommend taking kids to the store. But I was able to find some things. Just a little something. Nothing too fancy schmancy. I don't know. I would have went into Burlington too, but by the time I got out of Ross, I was just over it with the kids. And I'm like, I need to get home anyway and feed them dinner and stuff. Because they think we gonna stop and eat out. Not happening. Not every time. But yes, y'all. So I got some stuff I'm going to show y'all. And yeah, you know. So my kids was begging for this, and I thought it was kind of cute. I didn't really care to buy it because it's like unnecessary. It's not needed, but it's super cute. It's a little cake holder, and you know, it says Happy Halloween and stuff on it. And I thought it was cute because we are planning to bake some Halloween treats. So I'm like, okay, it was $7.99, $8. It wasn't bad. But I'm like, dang, so we only gonna use it on Halloween? We can't use it no other time, just Halloween. This was so cute too. It's bath soap, spiced pumpkin. And I didn't even smell it. Let me smell. It don't smell bad, but it's not strong. But it was just cute. I didn't even realize it was filled up. I thought I had to fill it up myself, but I can refill it since it's just an easy screw on, screw off top. This was only $3.99 at Ross, so thought this was cute. We trying to get into fall, you know, with the cheering. And I don't know why I say bath soap. I mean hand soap. Hand soap for your hands, for your hands. Y'all know I love candles. I really went for candles and little decor, whatever we find. I ended up seeing this candle. It's haunted. It say haunted. There it go. Aroma Villa. And this is cute and it smells so good, y'all. It remind me of one of those teak wood candles, how they be really strong. Like a sexy man, y'all. Smell like a grown man. And then this little jar was so cute. I'm like, this is really fall. A little pumpkin patch. It got this little pumpkin on it. So cute. And this one is, yeah, it just say pumpkin patch. Aroma Villa too. But this, y'all, it smelled like pumpkin and cinnamon. And I'm just so excited to burn this. It smells so good. I swear. I like them smells. I know some people don't like them smells, don't care for them smells. Me, I'm really not into the flavor. So, like, all the drinks with that flavor, that pumpkin spice and all that stuff, I really don't like those drinks. But the smell, I like it. It's like, okay, you walking through, it smell like fall, like holiday season, like baking time. And then I got this sweater. It's super cute to me. I don't know. I like it. It was on clearance for $7.49, $7.50. And I got it for my daughter. I think it'll match those boots cute. And it's just a plain little sweater. You know, it's kind of croppy a little bit, but I'll make her wear some bigger, some high waist jeans. And, or I can't even talk today, y'all. A t-shirt under it, like a white tee, you know, a fitted white tee under it or whatever. But I thought this was super cute and it feels real good. It's super soft, and for $7.50 it matched those boots to the tee. I got some little face wipes for my face. None too major. Instant Glow cleansing wipes. So, and removes waterproof mascara. I don't wear mascara, but sometimes that liner, I wear liner. So, yes, y'all, that's really all I got. Like I said, I would have liked to went into Burlington or even just looked around, you know, Ross a little more. But the kids was not cooperating, y'all. And they wanted everything. And I prep talked with them like our mamas used to do. Like, y'all not getting nothing, don't ask for nothing. Nothing. Didn't mean nothing. They asked for everything we walked past. They grabbed everything we walked past. And I don't like that, because it's like, get over here and stay over here. Don't be just walking and touching stuff. But I'm happy to be home. I am currently making some jambalaya and some fried chicken. So that's dinner for today. Happy Tuesday. No tacos. Boo. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna holla at y'all sometime later. Okay, y'all, so me and the kids about to make some cupcakes. We in that baking season, so we just doing all kind of stuff. So yeah, they gonna keep asking, keep sweating me and bothering me, so we're about to get into that real quick.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah.
Okay, we got these.
It makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do it all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my mind.
Okay, y'all, I'm all over, but right now I'm sitting on my bed for a second. The kids are eating dinner, so I feel like when they are eating dinner, it's like my little couple minutes a piece to just whoops. You know, I done cooked and cleaned and did everything. So they sitting down eating dinner and it's quiet. But the cupcakes are in the oven because we made the cupcakes before they ate dinner. So while the cupcakes are baking, they're eating. And yeah, I love doing this kind of stuff with my kids, y'all. It's priceless. It only cost me $5, literally $5. The cupcake holders were $1. The cake cupcake mix, the cake batter itself was $1 also, and then a frosting with the sprinkles and the icing, I guess, frosting or icing, that was $3. So $5, y'all. Unlimited smiles, anything for my kids. Okay, they are done. Looks like you bit your cupcake.
You bit your cupcake?
Get your butter knife right now.
My butter knife.
Yeah, there's bread on there. Nope, you got some on there. Put it on your cupcake. Raggedy as hell. This weekend is actually Sweetest Day too. I'm supposed to be taking my man out. I gotta get my shit together, y'all. I need to find me a little snack while I'm on my break. And I don't even know what I'm gonna make for dinner. I'm tired of picking shit for dinner. Tell you that much. Tired. Last night I made some smothered pork chops, homemade gravy with some white rice and some corn, and I snapped. I don't care what nobody say about pork chops. Okay, I love a good fried pork chop, and if you can make gravy from scratch and white rice, baby, you winning. Cause I don't really know a lot of people my age that can master gravy and rice. It's a hard task. It takes a talent, boo. Your girl know how to make gravy from scratch and rice. Okay, I know how to make rice, y'all. This is a hard task. I be having the TV on in the background, mute. Soon as it ain't my turn or something, I'll mute that shit. But yes, I'm happy today, Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday, last day of the week. It's been great. I've been in training for 2 weeks. Tomorrow is my last day, and I'm ready. But yes, I'm looking forward to having a good weekend. My baby birthday is tomorrow, Saturday. We are going skating, roller skating. That's where I'm having our party at. And then after that, I got my babysitter lined up. And shoot, me and my man going out. We haven't been on a date in a while, so I'm excited. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do to this head of mine, cause ponytail ain't ponying, you feel me? And I need to find the kids some costumes. I wanted to say this candle that I showed y'all that I bought is shitty. Shit, I burned it for 2 days. And it don't smell like nothing at all. It smells good up close, but when you burn it, it's just burning for nothing. Just a waste. I'm so disappointed because I was so excited, but I don't know. So I'm gonna have to let y'all know about the pumpkin spice one, because I hate that. It's a disappointment, okay? I don't know how to do baby hair, guys. I don't know, y'all. Trying to make it look cute. My sisters know how to do this stuff cute.
I'm gonna sit this tomato on my head. What the way? Whoa! I'm not the mother off. Oh, yeah, the mother off on my hand. Bring it. Happy ball. Wow.
Let me wash my hands.
Wash my hand. Ow.
Sorry. Another day. Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, October 21st. It's only it's 8 o'clock on the dot now. It's 8 o'clock, y'all. Y'all know I'm an early bird. I get up so dang early no matter what day it is. I'm up. I hate that about me, but I like it at the same time because I get stuff done while everybody else be sleeping. I be handling my business. Then when everybody else wake up, I be ready for a nap because it's like I done been up all morning. Today, I'm gonna go get my makeup done. I haven't had makeup on in a long time. Y'all know my baby birthday was yesterday, so today she is having a party. We going skating, roller skating, so I'm excited for that. And I want to be a cute mama. I ain't get to get my hair done. Gonna make it do what it do with this ponytail. And yeah, Mamiana. It's also Sweetest Day, so I gotta take my man out. Some people don't believe in that, but I got a good man. I love my man. I always want to show him my appreciation. So we gonna have a little date night and yeah, do some fun stuff, y'all. We gonna go out to eat, to Hibachi. We gonna go to Dave and Buster's, play some games. I might whoop his ass in some basketball, you know. Just good vibes, having a good time. I'm excited and I'm gonna get my makeup done. Gonna get my makeup done. Ooh, I'm about to drop it. Okay, y'all, I got my makeup done. Well, I got my brows and my lips. Y'all know I love my lips. I told y'all that before. Just a little enhancement. No foundation, but I feel like I look cute. Something simple. You know, I'm the mom of the birthday kid, so I want to look cute. But yeah, y'all, I think it's cute. Shout out to my friend. I gotta fix that on here. Oh, you look cute. Simple. And these people speeding in this U-Haul truck, knowing the motherfucker will flip over. People, I tell you, but I'm looking forward to having a good day today, and I will. We are skating, y'all. Dang, my flash came on. We get popcorn. Huh? Trey, look at Trey.
Wait, stay there so she can take a picture.
Look at John. Say cheese.
There you go.
Your little boat. They look.
Tell me where you wanna go. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, tell me.
Where they Okay.
Honey, see you looking at me. I'm ready, go in, you in, you want me.
Let me know, okay? Like it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, this is first. 76. Hit it. Jumping. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Hey, hey. All right. Excuse me. Please open your mouth.
No.
Are you ready?
No.
Open your mouth, kitchen, go back home, take a shower, alright?
Nope. Not today.
Take it, okay, alright? Always yummy. I only ate one and happy. Oh, there we go, baby. Oh, you're commercial. There you go. And one candle, alright, a fire. Anybody ate a fire? Come again, alright? Hey, I look at 1, 2, 3, go. One candle. Hey, Jerry, Coca-Cola, phải rồi thấy ôi yummy and shrimp, okay, and steak. Excuse me, sir, how do you want to clear your steak? Oh, excuse me, yummy. Medium well, just a couple seconds. Nice when you get now.
Picture. We got hibachi, y'all.
Who's gonna try
Yummy. Come on.
Oh yeah, lady first.
Okay, come on.
You too quick to open that mouth.
I'm not scared no more. Excuse me, all right, so yeah, thanks for about it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Sitting at the bar, y'all, at David Buster's, waiting on our drinks. We got our play card. How much points we got at? 300. We got 300. Okay, I got 21. So we gonna see what you can get. We get. Get over here. Now you want to cheat. Talking about I ain't get 21. What happened? Press the button to select game. Yeah, it's only one ball. See, you cheated, cuz. Okay, you got 6. I don't know. I'm blue. Okay. Hey, I'm going on your shit. Ah! I'm blue. What's up? Yeah, yours go. How to play? Hold on. Got my ass whooped. Came in 12th place. 6th place. Push your ass. Oh, with your ass. 540. Huh? Right. For London bag. Damn. I'm fucked. Happy Sunday, y'all. It is officially the end of the vlog. I had a lot of fun making this. Well, every time I make vlogs now, I'm enjoying them more and more and more. I'm getting the hang of this, and hey, I never know what the future holds. This weekend was a success. Everybody enjoyed themselves. The past 2 weeks have been everything. I'm very grateful and appreciative, you know, for my new journey in my life. The job is going amazing. Life is lifing, but we pushing, remaining positive, and we getting through it, making the best of everything. I'm currently watching the Packer game, you know, Sunday football. I'm about to get my Sunday dinner started in a minute. Get everybody ready for, you know, the upcoming week, back to school, back to work. I look forward to many more positive things and positive journeys. Yes, y'all, it's been amazing. I thank everybody for hanging in there with me. Thank you all for watching this vlog, rocking with me to the end, okay? I'm so grateful for all of my supporters. You know, everybody that love me, I love y'all. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, I look forward to what's next.